Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for making a use case diagram. So first of all, we're going to command ChatGPT to give us a use case diagram of our choice in plant UML format. I'm going to type, give me a use case diagram on, let's say, on how a cricket team works in plant UML format. Make sure the spelling of plant UML is correct. Click enter and do just that for you. Once that is done, all you have to do is to just copy this code. Open a new tab and go to draw.io, click on the first one. You will get to this interface. Now go to Arrange. From there, go to Insert, go to Advanced, and from there, select Plant ULM. Remove the coding already there and paste the coding from ChatGPT. Click on Insert. It will provide you with a use case diagram on how our cricket team works. For example, the coach makes the team's preparation with other players, manage the teams, strategize and stuff, what a player does, and what a selector does, etc. Now, if you want a more complex version, we can even command ChatGPT to do that, and type or alter the same prompt by clicking the pencil icon here and type, "Can you make it more complex?" Click enter. Now, once that is done, you have to repeat the same process. Copy the code, go to draw.io, delete this one, go to Arrange, go to Insert, and Advanced, and select the plant UML format. Delete this, and paste the coding from ChatGPT. Click on Insert, and it will provide you with a more complex use case diagram. In this use case diagram, it also included the cricket board, rules, pitch preparation, umpire, specter, and stuff. So you can use this by saving this. Click on File and then save it from here. So that's pretty much it. And that's how you can use ChatGPT for making the use case diagram. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.